Zulu, you want to go outside? Yeah, you want to go for a walk? You ready? Come on, let's go do our walk, okay? Come on, girlie. All right, let's get you suited up. Come on. Wham. All right. All right. What do we find now? What is it? What is it? Your leash is on your head. There we go. Everything smells good. She loves these walks. So many smells. Okay, where to now? What? What are you looking at? What do you see? What do you see? What? Come on, you ready? Come on, let's continue. Whoa. What's in there? Come on. Always gotta sniff the corner, right? Uh-oh, she's going in for zone number 2. We're not gonna show zone number 2. Be right back. All right, mission accomplished and time to go home. Come on. All right, Zulu, look at those shadow of her legs. It's funny. Look at those long legs. That's so funny looking. The shadow, wow. The shadow is twice as big as the dog. That's funny looking. Come on. Ready? Run. Go, go, go. Ready, go. Cool. All right, and that will conclude what we call a business walk. Getting it done. Come on, girlie. See y'all next time.